Hey everyone, this is EgboJ20 and in today's video I'm unboxing some things I got for Christmas. Let me be honest with you, actually I've had these products since October, but the thing is that I've been in school all day and I haven't had the time to actually open these stuff. And right now I'm done with school for the time being, so let's just unbox this anyway. I also got a few other products too that weren't in this video, like a tripod from Jumia, a wireless lav mic from AliExpress, which I'm currently using to record the audio in this video. And as for the mic that I'm unboxing, well, you're gonna hear the audio quality in my next video. For me, this mic is really cool and the quality and everything is pretty solid. And also, since I record with my phone, I got this extension for my iPhone that lets me connect the mic to my phone and use audio with it. Next up, what we have here is this drawing tablet by Zenx Tech. They were really kind enough to send this over to me and I'm appreciative of this company. Now, I haven't tested out this drawing tablet yet, but I really want to use this tablet so bad. Like, you can connect it to both your Android phone and your MacBook and your Windows PC, but not an iPhone at all. Oh, and also I like do all this graphic designing stuff on my IG and TikTok, so just go check them out. Okay, for me, I really want to get more products like cameras and laptops and nothing to unbox on this channel. And if you want to support the channel so I can do that, you can donate crypto to my crypto address in the description. For me, I can't wait to test out this tablet because I like what I'm seeing here. Now, if you have any questions about any of the products that you see in this video, you can leave them in the comments or send me an email or a DM anywhere on my socials in the description of this video. The next product we have here is an LED projector. Now, I tested out this projector and this projector is actually really nice. It has a native resolution of 720p when it's projecting. With this projector, you can connect things like your game consoles or your TV box or TV sticks, even your media players too. You can even connect a flash drive to this. You can also attach this projector to a tripod, which I did. I talked about a tripod I got earlier on Jumia, which I didn't show in this video. It's currently attached to the tripod right now. This also comes with an HDMI cable, an RCA cable, and even a remote. Isn't that fancy and pretty? But my favorite thing about this projector is that it has Wi-Fi capabilities. And with the Wi-Fi capabilities, you can wirelessly connect your phone or your tablet to the projector. Even your laptop too, and you can now see the screen of your laptop from the projector in real time. Though it is laggy, but still, it's something. Here's some footage of it right now. Okay, so this video is soon gonna come to an end, and I just want to tell everyone Merry Christmas. Also, thank you for your support if you're watching this channel and you're a subscriber and all that. I hope you all have a good time. Peace out.